Already broken a daily heat record this weekend. There could be more records on the way. This is going to be a tough week, Chris.
Yeah, and actually, Troy, this is going to be the hottest stretch of weather so far this summer because we hit a record 114 yesterday. We were at 112 today. We were 110 plus late last week. And now we have highs between 112 and 118 all week long with morning lows near 90. Extreme heat, the warning goes through Friday, and our weather impact alert goes through Friday as well. Avoid the hottest time of the day. Use some common sense and just don't strain yourself when it's that hot outside. Stay in the air conditioning. We've had 24 days at or above 110 so far this year. The annual average is 21, so we're already past our allotment, and we're going to add a whole bunch more to that 24 number, including tomorrow. Starting out in the upper 80s, 104 by noontime, and 112 tomorrow afternoon with sunshine from start to finish as we have really dry air unusually dry air over the state, because typically we're in and out of the monsoon. We'll have little pockets of moisture here and there, but we got rid of all of that. And 107 is the forecast high tomorrow at Cave Creek. 111 for Tempe and Chandler, 112 for Phoenix, and 111 for Buckeye. Here's the setup. Hot high pressure is over southern Arizona right now, and it's not going to move very far. It's actually going to strengthen a little bit right on the border with New Mexico and Arizona. This is Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday evening. Then as we go into Wednesday and Thursday, the two hottest days of the week, this high actually strengthens. And think about high pressure. It is the atmosphere pushing down on us, and as that air compresses, it heats up. And so a really hot air mass and a dry air mass on top of us, about as hot and dry as it ever gets, even at this time of the year. And as far as rain is concerned, the next 5 days, there's not a whole lot. Perhaps the White Mountains and the Eastern Rim areas will get a little bit of shower action by later in the week next week. But for tomorrow, we have zeros on the map for the exclusive monsoon meter with very dry air in place all across the state. Tucson 108, 95 in Payson, sunshine in Flagstaff 88, and breezy in Kingman 101, Lake Havasu City at 112. The extreme heat Wednesday and Thursday, the peak of the heat. Monsoon break with that dry air in place statewide and a few record highs, including that all-time record high that could fall later this week. Here's your Flagstaff 7-day. Even Flagstaff getting up to 90 degrees. We'll throw in a chance of showers starting in on Wednesday through the weekend. Valley 7-day forecast. 5 days of a weather impact alert peaking on Thursday. And if we do hit 118, that'll be the hottest ever recorded in the month of August in Phoenix. Troy?